Let's get Esther to say dad, dad, dad. Okay, Charlotte. Okay, puppy. What's your name? Oh. Is she saying dad, dad? Say dad, dad, dad. She's so cute. Charlotte, do you want to say something to dad? Say, I love dad.
I love dad.
Charlotte, what does a cow say?
Moo, moo, moo.
What does a horse say? What does a rooster say? What does an elephant say? What does a tiger say? What does a donkey say?
Airplane.
You know what a donkey says? What does a donkey say? Can you say Charlotte and Ella Dearden?